Hello, in this video we will show you how to create your MyDCE account. Harvard Summer School is part of the Division of Continuing Education, also known as DCE, at Harvard University, and hosts the student portal called MyDCE. This portal provides you with personalized access to your Harvard Extension School student account. This is the MyDCE site. Simply scroll over to the Harvard Summer School homepage, summer.harvard.edu, and click on the MyDCE login link at the top of the page. Then click on the Create Your MyDCE Student Account button. You'll see two ways to log in, either with your DCE key or your Harvard key. Harvard key becomes your primary login credential, but only after you've registered for a course. You'll receive these credentials 24 to 48 hours post-registration. For the purpose of this video, we'll assume you're new to both the summer school and Harvard Extension School. So let's get started on creating your account by clicking the Create DCE Key link to get your account created. Please use an email address that you have permanent access to. The email address and password that you use here will become your DCE Key login credentials. So we recommend using a personal email address rather than a work or school one, as that may cause Harvard Summer School emails to be blocked due to firewall settings. We also recommend you do this on a web browser on your computer rather than on your phone. Fill out the remaining fields and click Continue when done. Follow the instructions on your screen, and please log in using the same email address that you entered previously to verify. After clicking on the verification link you receive in your inbox, you'll be redirected to the confirmation screen. Click on the link to access MyDCE. Put in your DCE login credentials here to log in. When you log in for the first time, you'll be shown a series of questions to complete. Once you verify your student information, you'll end up on the homepage of your MyDCE account. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the site before registration begins. It's your go-to source for everything during your time as a student here, including pre-registration, course registration, tuition payments, accessing your Canvas course website, submitting transcript requests, and more. If you have any problems when creating your account, please contact Enrollment Services for assistance by emailing inquiry@summer.harvard.edu, or you can reach us by phone Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time at 617-495-4024.